Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best CEN Racing F450 upgrade you can find, the CEN Gooseneck Hitch set in black. Whether you're a hobbyist, a serious RC truck builder, or just getting started with your F450 build, this upgrade deserves your attention. Let's start with what makes this a must-have. At first glance, it might look like just a small accessory, but it adds both function and realism to your F450 truck. Made by CEN Racing, a trusted brand in the RC world, this hitch set is purpose-built for compatibility with the F450 truck platform. And yes, it comes in a sleek black powder-coated finish that doesn't just look good, it's designed to last. Weighing in at just 0.15 pounds, it's lightweight but strong. That's important in the world of RC, where every ounce matters but durability is non-negotiable. The material is plastic, which might surprise some people. But CEN Racing didn't cut corners. It's high-quality, impact-resistant plastic that stands up to trail wear, heavy trailers, and even competitive use. Now, let's talk about the vehicle compatibility. This hitch is engineered specifically for trucks, RC trucks, of course. But not just any. It aligns with the structure of the F450, making installation easy and seamless. There's no cutting, no guessing, no modifications, just plug and play. And once it's installed, it opens up a whole world of towing accessories and realistic hauling setups. One of the best parts is the finish. That black powder coat doesn't just look cool, it also helps prevent scratches and keeps the hitch looking new after plenty of use. It blends in nicely with the F450 body, making your build look that much more professional. So who is this for? If you're into scale realism, custom builds, or simply want your F450 to do more than sit on a shelf, this is for you. Whether you're building a tow rig, a show truck, or something functional for competitions, this hitch set is going to step up your build game. Let's not forget the small details. It may seem like a minor upgrade, but when you look at a full build, it's these parts that make the biggest difference. A realistic hitch setup adds character, purpose, and a sense of completion to your RC truck. It becomes more than just a model, it becomes a miniature version of the real thing. Unfortunately, at the time of this video, there were no featured offers available on Amazon. So if you find it in stock, don't wait. This is one of those items that sells fast, especially among dedicated builders and collectors. To wrap it up, the CEN Gooseneck Hitch set is simple, sleek, and highly functional. It's lightweight, durable, easy to install, and adds both aesthetic and practical value to your F450 RC truck. If you're serious about scale performance or just want your truck to stand out, this is the upgrade to get. That's it for today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you've used this hitch or if there's another upgrade you'd like us to review. Until next time, keep building and keep pushing the limits.